Look at all that dirt. This blower wheel have a cuff like this. You see when it get kicked up with dirt, it really like that blower wheel flat. It's supposed to be cuffed, supposed to scoop the air for airflow. See all that dirt? Look at that. I only clean. Yeah, I only clean like what, 4 of them. So imagine how much dirt in there. All of them caked. Will make that blower wheel flat. This is what you're breathing in, folks, so you don't take care of your AC unit. You don't want to breathe this stuff in. You don't want your AC technician to breathe in. Ride clean, what you know about it. Look at them wheels. Let me talk to the contractors out here still running your company off sticky notes, Still writing invoices on paper, carbon copies. Still chasing customers for payments. Still losing jobs because you didn't follow up. I see you. And I'm going to be real with you. You're not behind because the market is bad. You're behind because you're scared. Scared to invest in your own company. You're cheap. You won't spend $1 on yourself, but you'll complain all day about not growing. Listen, the trade is changing. Customer want text updates. They want online quotes. They want to pay with a card. They want professional experience. They want deep professional experience. And if you can't give it to them, somebody else will. So here's what I'm going to do for you. I use Jobber to run my entire HVAC company. Scheduling, quotes, invoices, payments, customer communication, AI receptionist. I never miss a call. All in one app. And I got a 14-day free trial in the link below. You don't even have to pull your wallet out and put your card in. But since I already know you're cheap, let me save you some money. Use my link in the description. Get 20% off your first 6 months. So stop being scared. Stop being cheap. Invest in your company. The link is in the description below. Go sign up right now.